Morning, YouTubers. What's up? That's a pretty neat knife here. I've showed it once on there. Carried it a lot. It's a komoran. I'll just show you the box. There's the number. Got a good grip on it. Holds the edge pretty good. I don't know what kind of steel it is. Lockup's good. Feels like G10 but scales, but don't hold me to it because I can't really tell. One hell of a karambit. Excuse my French. Blade's not real long. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Stay warm, stay dry, stay out of the rain. God bless you and subscribe. Thank you, thank you.